Today I will show you a way to check if some of our expenses exceed our desired budget. To be more precise, I want to prevent such situation like in those cells. So the total is larger than the budget. But when I take something from marketing and give a smaller number to sales, we are in the budget. But I want to Excel help, so I cannot write here numbers. So let's make in the other cell to exceed this desired budget. Control Z here. So now we are within budget, and we want Excel help to stay in a budget. I can take some from each department and give other departments, but the total should be smaller or equal to the desired budget. So how can we do it? We can do it with data validation and with custom formulas, similar to conditional formatting. So I have to check for each cell, not for the sum, but for each cell, if the sum is smaller or equal to a budget. So just like in case in conditional formatting, I will start writing here formula, a simple one, and I will just sum all those values for locked this range, and then I want to check if the sum is smaller or equal to the value in D2, F4 to lock it. And just like in conditional situation, conditional formatting, we will have trues and falses. If we will get trues, this means the value in the cell is allowed, and when we get false, it means the value isn't allowed. So now I can just copy this formula, the formula bar, and then select those cells with department, so expenses, and then go to data tab, data validation here, and we want to check here on the allow list custom formula. Control V, we are putting our formula here, and we need to remember about locking ranges to get proper results. Okay, so we have here everything absolute. So okay, and now I can lower, for example, the number here once again, and this is allowed. But when I give here more than our desired budget, Excel will show me proper message, default message. So I cannot write this number here. Okay, but if I'm within budget, everything is allowed. So once again, if I for example just take more and give here more, I write larger number than before, but the most important thing is our sum. It's still within budget. So this is the way to keep our values within budget with Excel help.